So adjuvants and surfactants are used in the industry. It's a billion-dollar industry. They're effectively wetting agents, and they're added into the tank mix to try and get the crop protection products or pesticides to stick better, to wet, right? In effect, we do the same thing. We change physical, some chemical properties, and we do a great job of sticking, right? I would argue we probably do a better job. But let's say they're the same, right? But if you put a MagrowTec system in, you need less of those products, right? So, or you may need none at all. In fact, we have growers saying you don't use them at all because of it, right? So you have a one-off cost, whereas with the other way, you've got repeated spend and those products are getting dearer and dearer. So the evidence would show you probably don't need those products, or certainly you need way less with our technology. And so you get all the other benefits as well with our technology, whereas with adjuvants, surfactants, you get limited benefit and you've got to keep spending. So also, we are working with people in the biologic space and the conventional chemistry spaces where we complement each other, where we work with, say, newer adjuvants and surfactants and their technology, where the two better than one will deliver even more benefits to farmers. So we are working with several partners in adjuvant, surfactant, the chemistry space, and indeed the OEM space, is that in certain scenarios, the two technologies together can be even more beneficial.